Okay, we're gonna do a little bit of abuse test on this real quick and see. This wood right here is mesquite, and it is an incredibly hard wood. So I'm just gonna bang on this thing for a few minutes. I've already hit it a couple times, but just gonna bang on it a little bit. See what you think. Look at that. Let's see. Let's get it. Yeah, seems to sink in pretty good. It definitely don't want to come out easy. Beat it around a little bit. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I think it's got definitely has decent chopping capabilities. It's a pretty nice little back. Alright, we'll check the edge real quick. Give it a look. I'm not noticing any damage to it. Who knows, maybe this is an awesome parang. Let's get a better view. There we go. That is the Ozark Trail Parang Machete. $7. Alright, catch you guys later. This is Rick from TAC-HILL. Please like, share, and subscribe.